All right, shifting our focus now to the other top story that we're tracking right now. Uber, one of the largest ride-hailing platforms in India, has now brought about a major change to one of the crucial segments on the platform, which is Uber Auto. Uber will now suggest an indicative fare for its auto rides, while the final amount will be negotiated between the driver and the rider. Uber has also decided to move on from the commission-based model to a subscription model for your auto rides in India. So basically, previously, Uber charged a commission on the total fare, but now auto drivers will have to pay a fixed fee in advance to Uber to access the platform. After that, auto rides will be cash only with no cancellation charges for riders. Additionally, Uber will no longer impose a commission on drivers because they would have already paid a charge in the beginning, a fixed charge, a subscription charge, like they call it. This change is definitely not entirely new. Competitors like Rapido have already adopted similar models, though it definitely will benefit the drivers. Whether it will also benefit users, that is something that remains to be seen.
Even yesterday when I was booking an Uber auto, we had that notification wherein it laid out how now going forward rides will be cash only and no commission will be charged from the auto drivers. As far as the driver association is concerned, this is a welcome move for them. Previously also they had protested for these very demands over not being charged a commission fee for every ride because there is also a lack of transparency. They're never aware of how much the rider, in fact, the passenger is being charged while they accept a fare. Now that with that transparency coming in, definitely there can be a communication. But so far, the rides that are suggested by Uber while you book it is something that commuters are also following. So as far as the end user is concerned, not much is changing because both of them are still going by the suggested fare. But however, whenever it could also be an issue wherein the driver partners could be using this as a tool to also bargain for a higher fare, and a lot of commuters, in fact, could not be in the know, and that could lead to a little skirmish. So this still remains to be something that we will be tracking. But so far, it is definitely a welcome move, which does not affect the passengers as much as it helps the auto drivers, in fact. Because earlier also with the subscription model in other apps like the Namma Yatri as well as in Rapido, drivers had preferred those platforms for booking, while Uber was their last resort. And now with Uber also coming into the non-commission based model, taking up a subscription model, it can definitely be helpful for the three-vehicle owners because now they will be able to pay just an upfront cost irrespective of however many rides they take.
And on